Hi, this is Veronica from Email Octopus, and today I'm going to show you how to use rows in our drag and drop editor. Using rows enables you to divide your template into sections that you can move around easily. To insert a row, go to the left side panel and click Rows. Then pick one of them and drag it onto your template. Now, when you go back to content, you can drag content blocks into the row columns. Once you click on a row in your template, you will see its description in the bottom right corner. To move it, just click here, drag your row and drop it wherever you want it to be. As you can see, I have a couple of sections in my campaign that are separated into rows. If I want to move them around, I can drag and drop them in a different place. And that's it. Thanks for watching and happy emailing!